Hola, ¿cómo estás? Estamos aquí in Guadalajara. We just arrived here to this Airbnb like 15 minutes ago. So this is connected to a bar next door. It's an Airbnb we found that could accommodate 4 gentlemen at the same time. And it each has its own room and then a kitchen downstairs. It's weird because it has like a communal living feel. Like a whole shared everything. But anyways, it's supposed to be just us here. There's one more room downstairs. I'll show you around really quick. I guess I'm vlogging here, so I brought the cameras. So here's this room. I think Ivan's gonna stay in there. Probably check this room, stay here. And then this little area here, 2 bathrooms. It's an old school building. They renovated it a couple years ago. It'd be a bar and Airbnb with it next door. There's another one. These rooms out here look out onto the street over here. And the bar is over here. Can't really see much, but it's like 3 levels. And there's a breakfast spot downstairs. Good street view. But yeah. That's what it looks like. You walk over here. I guess this light doesn't work. Let's go down here. Artwork on the walls. And we go down here. And there's another bathroom down here. You actually hear the music next door at the bar. Suppose it gets louder at night. So there's another room right here. And then there's a kitchen area. This is the kitchen area over here. I mean, it's pretty cool. For an old school building, they did it up pretty decently. And there's a little outdoor area with washer dryer. And then I don't know where these stairs go because it's kind of weird. This door was open when we got here, so I don't know. But I'll check that out in a second and make sure it doesn't lead up to some funny stuff. And here's the walk-in area. You walk in, there's a little chill area, living area. And this is the front door right here. The camera right there. The front door right here that leads out to the bar area and breakfast spot. You can actually hear it getting louder right now. So yeah, that's what it looks like right now. We have not had a real meal today. We're just traveling. And I'm kind of depressed because we put one of our dogs down yesterday, so I'm like traveling, I'm like heavy hearted. Anyways, yeah, looks pretty cool. Cool area. There's a lot of hip stuff to check out here, so I'll record some of that on my GoPro, so I'm not going to carry this around. Alright, check it out. Ivan and I went out on a quick 7-Eleven run down the street. The main street over here is Avenue Chapultepec. You can find 7-Eleven, mad restaurants and all that down there. But we just ran to 7-Eleven, just want to get some snacks and some waters. And then we're going to pop a beer. And then when you check into this Airbnb, apparently, whoosh, yeah, sprayed myself with this beer. Hey. Anyways, apparently you get a drink from the bar next door that comes with the place. Yeah. So. Here we go. Thanks. One of the local craft beers in Mexico is Minerva. You can find these almost anywhere around here. All 7-Elevens, obviously. But yeah, we're gonna have a little sip here and then I'll see if I can take my GoPro with me next door and record some of the Peter Brown bar and see how that is. I want to feel like I'm sitting there recording things and looking like a vlogger type of person. Anyways, salud.
Salud.
Bienvenidos a Guadalajara. Hey, check it out. I'm on a GoPro right now, so the audio is a little bit different on this. So I recorded a little bit, like literally you walk out this front door and go to the left, and that's Peter Brown Bar, which is the bar that shares this building for this Airbnb. So we went there, and just a little bit of video that I took because I don't want to be obvious instead of recording, talking in front of people, especially when we're the only foreigners there. So they don't speak much English over there, so if you're gonna go to Peter Brown Bar, practice up your Spanish. Luckily, my Spanish was decent enough to get by. Order food and some beers and some mezcals. So we got the complimentary beer and a shot of mezcal that comes with the Airbnb since it shares the building. Very nice people over there. They're dope. They're cool. It's like a cool little bar. They play good music. They play everything from hip hop to like 80s to random. Just a lot of good stuff. Anyways, so we're back here. We're gonna chill for a little bit. We've been traveling all day, and just kind of want to chill out. We might walk out and hit up another bar. So if we do, I'll try to bring this along. All right, peace. Yeah, what up? It's day 2. I'm getting a little bit of a late start, mainly because I stayed up, and then time difference was a little off and throwing us off, and just kind of tired. But anyways, we're gonna go see if we can go grab some coffee from the coffee shop, grab a snack, and then later on probably go grab a heavier lunch when these other guys come in to town. I think they already landed, so they should be here in within an hour. But yeah, we're gonna go, I think, to one of the well-known coffee spots around Guadalajara, grab a cup, and hopefully grab something small to eat. About this Airbnb, it's kind of fun because online it looks like, oh, that's cool. It's like really like artsy in the middle of everything, and that's the compromise. You're in the middle of everything. You walk to like bars and restaurants that are just like right around here, and the other Airbnbs that could accommodate 4 people, each having a bed, were further away. So, but yeah, so it's, it's a little old, and the water pressure is
Awesome.
it's like a trickle of a stream that you're trying to shower in, but it works. We got clean. So we're gonna go head out. I'm gonna take the GoPro with me, and then you'll see whatever I run into around the streets of Guadalajara. By the way, the neighborhood's I think Colonia Americana. So that's the neighborhood that we're in Guadalajara. We're staying. Check it out. Coffee shop that we're peeping out in Guadalajara. Let's go. Let's go by Antonio.
Am I part of it? Like and subscribe.
Smash that
Smash
follow
that
button, bro.
Smash that button.
Smash that. He's a...
So we're waiting for some Philippine refugees, and they arrived today. Apparently they broke into the house and let themselves in, but that's okay. You know, we like to let refugees stay here. So
Smash that button.
and all this guy cares about is meat and coffee. So we'll be hitting up some meat and coffee places.
Dude, the churros here. I heard the churros here are different.
Yeah,
They have like a
Lotte.
different nickname for it here, yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna go on some ventures around. And when I go around the city, you'll notice it changes to the GoPro instead of this, because I'm not carrying this around. Yeah, this is strictly for talking. So I don't want to carry this stuff around. This is too much to carry around. It's like big and everything. People just start looking over at me. Was it spicy chili? Walking to get fish tacos with these guys.
It's Friday.
In Guadalajara.
It's Friday.
This place is cracking, dude. It's been cracking since this morning. We're gonna have to wait, dude.
in the fire, huh?
Alright, check it out. We just had some tacos, Tacos Fish La Paz. Pretty damn good, man. 2 drinks. It's a beer, pulque, 2 tacos. Pretty much $10 just for me. And then everybody else got similar dishes, but we're walking now. If you look behind me, there's 2 pregnant men modeling, walking behind us, trying to find a coffee shop on the street so we can, you know, relieve ourselves. Yeah, so walking around Guadalajara is pretty easy. Just chill. It's hot over here. It's like high 80s over here right now. And then at night it gets nice and chill, but it's like still like t-shirt weather. Highly recommend Tacos Fish La Paz. If you're in Guadalajara, it's very good. I'm like breathing because I'm full. I'm breathing hard right now. And we're walking. So we're gonna get some caffeine really quick and then chill out and try to find another place to hit up. So yeah, trying to check out Guadalajara so far. Almost a full day in. Nice. It's relaxing. It's chill. So far, at least. All right, peace. We're walking to another coffee shop, trying to hang out and taking some of Guadalajara's finest city views. Friday evening, or the beginning of the evening. Chips Burger. Right. You wanna go, Evan?
Look at that snickerdoodle. What you call me?
Sushi ramen.
we just eat here then?
I mean, I'll eat something for sure.
I mean, there's food.
They're that way so you can see what goes
Damn. Look at this. Haven't you asked me for 4 straws?
What or
Qué rico.
We do all the things. We do all the things.